Today's session outlook, we're going to be talking about the Japanese yen. As we can see from the board, it actually reached its highest in 6 weeks against the dollar, and of course, its lowest against the dollar in 6 weeks. As of course, we're looking at a strong economic data out of the US, and traders are participating in a debate that of course is among those which are convinced that the Federal Reserve would of course participate in a market's interest rate increase next month. However, today it's the most important data that is coming out from the United States, and this is the preliminary job data, the ADP employment change. Of course, that is before the Federal Reserve monetary policy statement, and of course the key interest rate decision, which a few traders actually expect anything to happen today. But of course, the tone that the Fed will actually use to determine whether the June rate hike would be a possibility will remain to be seen. Now, the dollar hit its highest in 6 weeks, as we mentioned earlier, against the yen at 112.30, actually achieving one of our objectives. But let's have a look, a closer look at the rest of the currency pairs and commodities, how they're pricing in before key interest rates. For US dollar, the euro versus the dollar virtually flat, so relatively flat against the dollar, hovering around the 1.09 support area. Sterling is testing the 1.29, which is also a key area for sterling versus the dollar. But of course, as we can see, the dollar is quite strong at this stage, so further upside could be only possible above 1.2960, which is of course also the next major resistance level. Crude prices at the moment, they're also on the downside, as we see that the key 48.30 area was broken in yesterday's session over here, and of course the losses are sustained. So now we can actually move to the downside with a bearish scenario, as of course technicals are also supporting such a scenario. Bearish on gold as well, as we can see, 12.53.54 at this moment, a little changed of course since compared to yesterday's levels, but of course we also see a possible downward direction below 12.52 support area is also possible towards 12.47 and of course 12.42, which is also a key support area. Therefore, for now, we're of course bullish on dollar yen, we're bearish on oil, bearish on gold, and of course sideways direction on sterling dollar, and of course euro dollar as well. For now, of course, we're going to monitor the economic calendar, the data that is coming out throughout the day. Financials will of course determine whether interest rates would be possible to be risen next month. That of course we will see tomorrow. And of course, thank you very much for watching us. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.